This Rugged Ridge CB radio mount bracket is for those of you that have a 2007 to 2018 JK that are looking for a very convenient spot to mount your CB radio. This is a bracket that's going to be completely bolt-on, making it a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench install. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So with the CB radio, you really wanted to do two different things for you. You want it to be easily accessible within arm's reach, and also so that you can hear it clearly when you are using it, and you want it to be out of the way so you're not bumping into it and it's not taking up valuable interior space when you don't need it. And that's what this bracket is really going to provide for you. It's going to tuck the CB up out of the way so it's not taking up any other surfaces, any other storage areas inside of your JK, but when you do need it, you can reach up and very easily access it from the driver's seat. It also puts a CB radio that has an internal speaker a little bit closer to your head, so it is going to be a little bit louder and a little bit easier to hear as well. As far as brackets go, I like the fact that this one's completely bolt-on. I like where it puts the CB radio, but I also like the price. This is going to be a very inexpensive bracket. This CB radio bracket is made out of steel. It's covered in a black powder coat finish. That'll help it to blend right into the factory trim that's up there by the top of the windshield frame, as well as most CB radios that you'll get will be black as well. Everything will just blend. It's not going to stick out to the eye. As I mentioned before, it is a completely bolt-on installation, which is a very nice feature. It has a little bit of padding built right into it, so it's not going to chafe the factory paint on your Jeep. And this hook up here is actually to keep that dangling CB radio mic wire up out of the way for you. So a really well thought out piece and a very easy install. Now I'll have a member of our install team show you how to get this bolted up to your JK.
First, position your sun visors against these side windows. Remove the center portion of plastic windshield frame cover by gently pulling down until the clips release. Next, we will remove the center footman loop by removing the 2 torque screws. Use the factory torque screws to install the CB mount and footman loop with CB mount on outside. Replace the center plastic windshield frame cover. And lastly, install your CB radio.
So if you're looking for a CB radio bracket to put that radio in an accessible spot when you need it, but also out of the way when you don't, all with a very easy bolt-on bracket, I definitely recommend this option here from Rugged Ridge, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.